So we have a lot to do today. We had a really good weekend, but we were only here to like change and shower and sleep. So I didn't do anything really, but that's okay. We had a great time. Look at my vanity. Oh my goodness. Everything's a mess. My bathroom's a mess. The living room's not too bad. The kitchen is horrible. So anyway, I'm just gonna start cleaning right now. I'm gonna hop on here later and show y'all a desk that we're making for my son's room. It's really cute. What else? I'm probably gonna work on my coffee table a little bit, but I have to order more resin, so I don't know when it's gonna be done. I'm really impatient, so I want it done like right now, but I have to wait. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. This is a really new channel. I don't even have a vlogging camera. This is my phone. So I'm just trying not to spend anything else until I know for sure this is something I want to do. I do enjoy doing it though, so maybe one day I will get a vlogging camera, but for right now I just have my DSLR, whatever it is. Anyway, so I can't really vlog on there, but I'm just using my phone. Anyway, my bug's getting mad, so I'm gonna go take care of him real quick, and then I'm gonna start cleaning. Are you mad? What's wrong? You're mad at me? Huh? Are you mad? You got your feet? Huh? Are you gonna let mommy clean? No? No cleaning? What will we tell Daddy? What will we tell Daddy? We have to clean, Bug. So now I'm just in the kitchen. I'm going to load the dishwasher and wipe down the counters, put things away, and then head to the dining room. Losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want to let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like a survivor, feeling it shine under your spotlight. I'm just using my peony dish soap to clean my sink. It makes it smell really good. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you. Right here, I'm using the Peony Scent multi-surface cleaner to wipe down my counters. Under your spotlight. I'm just using Dawn dish soap to wipe down my stove because it cuts the grease and it just leaves it really clean. The microwave had a few smudges on it, so I'm just going to use some glass cleaner and wipe that down.
just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears.
Now I'm just in my laundry room. I had a lot more laundry than this to do, but I was just getting a head start, and you will see the belly bump to close the drawer that I do.
Right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand.
I'm just using my method, Wood for Good, in the living room. It smells really good and it makes the wood shine.
And I look down, and all your fears around the ground. I am who I'm meant to be.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Now we're in my son's room. It wasn't that messy, it usually isn't, but he did have a few things to put away and I just wanted to tidy up in there.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close.
Now we're in my daughter's room. She really didn't have a big mess, but we're just gonna tidy up in here too.
That you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle.
Now for the big mess, my room. I have a lot to do in here.
look on, and I look down, and all your fears around the ground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand.
I just had a couple of baskets of laundry to do. I'm just gonna fold those real quick. One basket was already folded. I usually hang most of our stuff, so that's why you don't see me folding shirts and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm just gonna fold that up and put that away real quick.
Hold on, right here in the middle. Hold on, right here.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
So now we're in my bathroom. I'm just gonna straighten up a bit, put things back in place, and then wipe down my counters. I am using the Method Anti-Bac. It smells like spearmint. It's amazing. It's one of my favorite cleaners to use.
I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
So that's about it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna take y'all outside, show y'all how cute the puppies are, and I'm also gonna show y'all the desk we're making for my son's room. I really hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope it got you motivated, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, guys. So guys, these are the back and the bottom, and it's gonna be like a mouth opening. These are the seats for it, and then over here is the desk. Not sure what we're gonna paint it yet. I do like the wood look, but right here there's a lot going on, so I'm sure I'm just gonna paint it. So I'll keep y'all posted on that little project. I think it's gonna be so cute. I can't wait.
I can't